example here. We're going to introduce a couple of new functions. R of X models the revenue, the income for a company. The cost function we've already seen a couple of times. Cost function is the cost that a company incurs for producing X number of units. And the profit function will be P of X. Profit is the similar model we've seen our entire lives. Profit is money coming in minus money going out. So profit P of X equals money coming in, that's R of X, minus cost function C of X, that's the money going out, what it costs to do business. So a quick example here. A firm producing poultry feed finds that the total cost of business is C of X equals 20X plus 100. We're given a cost function. Costs for X number of units sold is 20X plus 100. Management plans to charge consumers $24 per unit of feed. We're going to charge and have income of $24 per unit of feed. Let's use that to answer part A. Determine R of X. We're getting $24 of income for every X unit of feed sold. So our revenue function, R of X, should be 24X. Okay. How many units to break even? Break even means that we have a profit of 0. We have equal income and outcome. I'm producing neither a loss nor a profit. So since profit is equal to 0, that means that revenue minus costs are equal to 0. Revenue minus costs equals 0, therefore means that revenue equals costs. To break even, the money you make is equal to the money that you are spending. Well, let's go ahead and set our revenue function, 24X, equal to our cost function, 20X plus 100, to see where the break-even point for this business is. Revenue equals cost. Revenue function, 24 times X. Cost function, 20X plus 100. By solving for X, we'll be able to figure out what we need to sell in order to break even, to have no losses for this business. So pretty simple here, subtract 20X from either side. We're left with 4X equals 100. This 4 is the marginal profit. I'm bringing in $24 per item. I'm spending $20 per item. So my net profit, my net marginal profit, is $4 per item. This business has $100 of fixed costs. So how many units do I need to sell for $4 of marginal profit, $4 per each item profit gain, to make up those $100 worth of fixed costs? Well, we'll divide by 4. And this business needs to sell 25 units in order to break even. Let's go over here and we'll find the profit for 100 units. To find the profit for 100 units, it'd be helpful to have a profit function. Profit function would be revenue minus cost. And we'll substitute in our revenue function, 24X, minus my cost function, 20X plus 100. minus 20 is 4X. I'm subtracting 100. Profit function, 4X minus 100. I want to find the profit for 100 units. So let's just substitute in 100 for X to our profit function that I built by subtracting cost from revenue. Subtracting 20X plus 100, 24X. We'll substitute in 100 units for X to find the profit of 100 units. P of 100 equals 4 times 100 minus 100, which is 400 minus 100, we saw that we needed to break even with 25 units. So when I make 100 units, I'm making more money than I'm spending. In fact, I'm making $300 more than I'm spending. Lastly, how many units should I need to make for a profit of $900? We can use this same profit function. P of x equals 4x minus 100. But now, instead of substituting in a given value to find the profit, I'm going to find the amount of units I need to sell to make a profit of $900. $900 is my profit. How many units x do I need to sell to make $900? So 900 equals 4x minus 100. Replace P of x with 900. We're going to solve for x, the number of units I have to sell in order to make $900. So, this equation, we need to solve for x. Let's add 100 to each side. Which gives me 1,000 equals 4x. What number times 4 equals 1,000? Divide by 4. And that should be 250 units. In order to make $900 of profit, using our profit function, we were able to determine that it's going to take us 250 units of poultry feed sold.